Why did the star go to school? Because it wanted to be a tad more brilliant, right? This joke, while seemingly trivial and humorous, is our ticket into a conversation that's garnering quite a bit of buzz these days. Picture this. The universe, a cosmic soup of sorts, holding countless celestial bodies and phenomena that continue to blow our minds, and among these celestial tidbits, stars, those dazzling freckles in the night sky that make you go, wow, and huh, all at once. Next, let's swoop down from the cosmos to our home turf, Earth. Here, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or the NOAA as it's better known, they're like the planetary watchdogs monitoring atmospheric and oceanic conditions. The NOAA, our earthbound guardians, have recently come into the spotlight because of a hot development in the space weather sector. They have issued a severe geomagnetic storm watch, an event that stirred up a whirlwind of interest and chatter far beyond the science labs. You're probably scratching your heads thinking, what on earth is a geomagnetic storm? The term sounds like something out of a Star Trek episode, doesn't it? Visions of a monstrous space storm with magnets whirling around like in some sci-fi saga. Relax, folks, it's not a new Star Wars spin-off, and our planet isn't turning into a giant fridge magnet either. This geomagnetic storm is more of a space oddity, a captivating cosmic show that doesn't happen too often, a spectacle that's going to tickle our curiosity and quench our thirst for out-of-this-world knowledge. Here's where it gets really interesting. This astronomical event is expected to bring with it a startling visual treat, a never-seen-before display of the aurora borealis, or the northern lights as they are more commonly known. You know, that disco light show in the sky put on by Mother Nature herself? But did you know that the northern lights also have a southern counterpart called aurora australis? But they are less famous, probably because penguins aren't as big on social media as us humans. What makes this event super special is its projected visibility. It's predicted that this otherworldly color fest will be seen as far south as Alabama and across to Northern California. Can you believe that? No need for a passport or fancy vacation to Iceland. The universe is bringing the light show right to your backyard. So buckle up, dear listeners, for a cosmic spectacle. The sky will be lit up with colors that could put the largest box of Crayola to shame. And here's a fun fact for you. Geomagnetic storms are responsible for some of the most epic tech fails in history. One such storm in 1859, known as the Carrington event, caused telegraph systems across Europe and America to fail, with some reportedly shooting sparks. So while you're enjoying the show, you might want to unplug your electronics, just in case the universe decides to pull a prank. Now, isn't that an exciting prospect, folks? The sun is basically turning into an interstellar Van Gogh, painting the southern skies with neon. So, grab your lawn chairs and keep your eyes peeled for the celestial ballet. You wouldn't want to miss this star-studded spectacle. Now, here's the kicker. This spectacular light show might be coming to a Wisconsin sky near you. Wisconsinites are advised to look north in rural areas with minimal light pollution to catch a glimpse of this cosmic spectacle. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a high-tech telescope, worry not. Your cell phone cameras are recommended for better viewing. Who knew our phones could moonlight as amateur astronomers? This event is the first of its kind since January of 2005, making it a rare treat for sky gazers. The geomagnetic activity is expected to peak around midnight, so prepare some hot cocoa, pull up a comfy chair, and get ready for a midnight light show courtesy of the universe. Now, before you start planning your Northern Lights viewing party, there's a small catch. This solar storm could potentially disrupt power grids and GPS systems. So if your GPS starts directing you to the moon instead of the nearest pizza joint, you know who to blame. In all seriousness, scientists compare the reliability of these aurora forecasts to 50s weather forecasts. So, while we might be in for a celestial spectacle or a slight technological hiccup, we could also just get a regular night sky. But hey, there's always beauty in uncertainty, right? And now, to wrap up with a lighthearted punchline, if you do manage to catch a glimpse of the Northern Lights, remember to make a wish. After all, it's not every day you get to see the sun's artistic side. Just be careful what you wish for. If you wish for another geomagnetic storm, you might just get a GPS that's convinced your destination is Mars. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe.